Hello everyone, this is Tony's Reviews and today I'm gonna be reviewing this ASUS ROG Strix G16 and I think this is a great gaming laptop. And right off the bat, the 16-inch Nebula display is absolute game changer in my opinion. The visuals are razor sharp and buttery smooth, and trust me, your games will look and feel like it should be. Now, what makes this laptop truly a beast is its power combo of Intel Core i9 and the GeForce RTX 4070. Just imagine super fast speeds, incredible graphics, and multitasking like you've never experienced before. But with the great power comes the need for fantastic cooling, and the Strix has got you covered, in my opinion. You can say goodbye to the overheating issues even after those long, intense gaming nights. And for those of you who is worried about the battery life, this laptop got an intelligent Max switch that optimizes it for you. So yeah, I think Asus did a really great job with this laptop, and I highly recommend it.